What's going on there, YouTube world? Austin Lewis here, coming to you guys live with another YouTube video. And oh my gosh, I'm scrolling on Instagram and all of a sudden, boom, I see the blessing loom. I see the Cash App wheel. I cannot tell you guys how many times I've gone onto my Instagram, I've looked at my DMs, and I have people hitting me up trying to join this scam. So if you guys are here showing up here brand new to this channel, I just want to welcome you. Usually this channel is based on finance, business, passive income, ATMs, but specifically I'm going to be talking to you guys really quickly about the blessing loom that's going on, the Cash App scam, you know, really breaking it down for you guys and honestly how you can even start your own and potentially even make it legal. Now, obviously what I did do, I had a friend last week that hit me up and said, Austin, you know, I want you to join this game. This game's only $100. So you guys know what I did. I went ahead and pulled out some cash, and I didn't give him just $100. I gave him 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, $1,000. I gave him $1,000, and obviously you guys know exactly what happened. I doubled my money. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't double my money. I actually lost all of my money. And so, you know, I just took some notes here for you guys because I really want to have you avoid the Cash App scam or the blessing loom thing going on. And I won't even veer too much off this video. I just want you to stay focused on that. And really, what I really want you to do is, you know, really not lose your money. And so that's what I'm gonna share with you guys in this video. Again, like I was saying, I was just kidding. I didn't lose my $1,000. So if you guys haven't already, make sure and go smash that like up button, because, you know, doing that will definitely help the YouTube algorithm. And the YouTube algorithm helping me out will allow me to get my $1,000 back. The actual scam is not really a scam. I'll be honest with you guys, you can even look or Google search on YouTube. This thing's actually been around for 3 or 4 years now. Again, also known as, you know, the blessing loom. You know, now it's gotten a little bit more diverse. It's gotten a little bit more up to date. I know currently right now people are being able to utilize Cash App. That's why it's called the Cash App wheel, which happens to be the biggest scam or Ponzi scheme I've ever seen in my life that is currently going on, and I'm gonna break that down in this video. But really, you know, they used to use PayPal 3 years ago. The blessing loom used to use PayPal, and obviously for those of you that have used PayPal, you guys are aware of the sweet deals that PayPal allows buyers to have, and that is to actually dispute a charge, which allows them to get their money back. So the new and improved scamming way, it happens to be utilizing Cash App and Venmo, because Cash App and Venmo say, are you sure you want to send this to that person? You click confirm. The second you click confirm, guess what? That money is no longer yours, and it is not able to be returned back to you. My goal here by the end of this video is really just to show you a legal way to make that Cash App scam going on, and ultimately really to just go ahead and save your money. That way you're not putting in your hard-earned $100 cash and losing it like I did. First things first, obviously here on the screen you guys can actually see the circle. I'll be breaking down to you guys exactly how it works, the different colors. What they don't tell you is that when in a new game, when you are joining, when you're putting in your $100, when you're sending your $100 to an individual, you're actually sending it to the person that is in the middle. So the middle of the circle is the person that's ultimately going to be receiving their $800. Again, they had to put in $100. Therefore, their profit will only be $700. So, you know, the green is the marketers, okay? I'm going to break down each and every single step here. The blue is the gifter. Obviously, you guys see the outside of the wheel is technically considered the gifter. The low-hanging fruit, the person that has to give the person in the middle, you know, of this game the actual $100 to join. Now, one thing I want you guys to know while you guys are looking at this circle is keep in mind this game has been going on for 3 years now. You know, again, like I said at the beginning of this video, it used to be called the blessing loom. Now, obviously, again, they used to use Telegram chats. They used to use different ways to communicate, WhatsApp, and different scammy ways. You know, what I found out with this whole game is it's gotten a whole heck of a lot smarter. I know a lot of individuals are using fake numbers or purchasing fake numbers to actually create a Telegram group or a group text. That way, you know, there's no trail back to them. Again, they're no longer using PayPal, because PayPal, if you go onto PayPal, you pay somebody via friends and family, or even pay somebody via goods and services $100. Of course, you guys know PayPal takes out their fee. That's how they get rich. And then if you don't end up getting a good or service, again, AKA you getting scammed out of your $100, you can actually go on to PayPal PayPal and receive that money back by filing a dispute, where the game of 2020, aka the Cash App / Venmo scam, is no longer called the Blessing Loom because it is via Cash App. Now obviously I educated you guys a little bit about Cash App, and that happens to be if you send money to somebody you are not essentially friends with and you click that yes, make sure I want to send it to this payment, I confirm that this is who I want to send it to. The second you do that and you're not friends with that individual, or even if you are friends with that individual, you are not going to be allowed to get your $100 back, and that is upon Cash App. Now obviously they confirmed with you that you wanted to send your $100 to this individual you were not yet friends with, and you confirmed anyways, therefore you will not be receiving your $100 back. Again, all you guys are really doing with this Cash App scam is ultimately buying a $100 spot. The person joining is sending the person in the middle of the circle the $100, which is a part of their profits or their payment. The entire idea of this entire game is whatever blue spot gets filled, the middle person is the one who makes the full $800, right? So the second the entire outside of the circle is filled is the second that that person in the middle is the one that ultimately receives their money. Now, once that happens, the person that gets paid, everyone from half of that actually splits into another game. So, this is where it becomes a little bit iffy, a little bit sketchy, and a little bit more scammy. And just understand that this game actually needs more money and more people to consistently make more money. It is not like a cup of water where the game is a cup and the water is the money, where it just gets full, and the second it's full, the money just circulates. No. That is not how this game happens. That's not how this game works. This game continuously needs to be filled up with more people putting in more money, therefore you get scammed. Now again, what completely blew my mind is hearing that other people are not only buying other phone numbers to get put into group texts, but they're also buying identities to be able to get other Cash Apps. Now, obviously, think about it this way, ladies and gentlemen. I started a game and I had a Cash App. That Cash App put in $100 here with me, and now I'm on the circle, and we're gonna fill up the other circles, but now I have 2 spots. I'm essentially able to not only just scam out of 7 other individuals, but I'm able to scam out of 14 other individuals, because now I have 2 Cash Apps. I've heard of people that are almost 3 or 4 Cash Apps deep on scamming individuals, to where now they can turn what I had $1,000, they can turn this into close to over $20,000. So the question is, Austin, should you invest? The answer, ladies and gentlemen, is no, I wouldn't. I would save your hard-earned $100 and I would take it to a nice dinner at Chipotle. Yes, reason for making this video was just simply because I've had so many people hit me up on Instagram saying, Austin, I want you to join this. I want you to be a part of this. I want you to turn your 100 into 700 into 800. And it just simply is one of the biggest scams that I think I've ever seen in the history of scams. Of course, outside of a couple others, but reason for making this video is I just wanted to save you from those scammers. I just wanted to save you from going out there and losing your $100 bill. Obviously, hopefully what I share with you guys in this video about the Cash App circle made 100% sense to those of you. Again, the person on the outside is just the one that feeds the person in the middle. The ones on the outside are the ones that are right outside, are the leaders. The ones that are right outside that in that section are the ones that are the marketers. The marketers bring in the feeder, the people that feed this inner circle. Once the inner circle happens, that person starts a new game with their other individuals that they just get to continuously scam. So anyways, hopefully you guys are here watching this video, saving your $100, but more importantly, interested on how you can actually earn money. Now, obviously, that is about 98.9% of what my channel happens to be about how to earn passive income, how to generate more cash flow, utilizing different income ways. Again, I teach all sorts of different things on this channel, including ATMs is kind of what we really are gangsta with. Again, so go check out some of my other videos here. I have some ways that you can break break down some free ways that you can actually earn passive income, affiliate marketing, and all other good stuff about business and ultimately creating a life full of success. So again, if you guys are brand new here, I just want to welcome you to this channel. I want to go ahead and have you smash that thumbs up button because it definitely helps the YouTube algorithm. And again, helping you, the YouTube algorithm will help me get my $1,000 back that I lost last week. And so again, if you haven't already, make sure and go smash that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell because it lets you know when I do upload a video so that you can take advantage of that and watch it just in case I end up taking it down. Because some of the things that I share with you on this channel, I double or triple think sometimes because I'm like, man, this is so much good information. I should pile this up and sell it into a course, which I actually have a link in the description below. Happens to teach individuals how to get into the ATM business. So, ladies and gentlemen, Austin Lewis here saying we'll see you guys in some future videos.